Meet the 2025 Audi Q3, a compact luxury SUV that blends style, performance, and advanced technology into a sleek, city-ready package. For 2025, Audi has refined this popular model, delivering a vehicle that combines the sophistication of a luxury sedan with the practicality of an SUV. Starting with the interior, the 2025 Audi Q3 features a cabin that is both elegant and high-tech. You'll immediately notice the high-quality materials throughout, from soft-touch surfaces to premium leather seating. The design is minimalist but sophisticated, with clean lines and a modern aesthetic. Audi's signature Virtual Cockpit Plus is standard on all trims, offering a 12.3-inch digital driver display that can be customized with navigation, audio, and more. This is paired with a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For passengers, the Q3 offers plenty of room, especially considering its compact size. The rear seats provide ample legroom, and with the available panoramic sunroof, the cabin feels light and airy, enhancing the overall driving experience. Cargo space is generous too, with 23.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 48 cubic feet with them folded down, perfect for your weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q3 comes with two engine options. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 184 horsepower, while the more powerful version delivers 228 horsepower. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring smooth handling and confident performance, whether you're tackling city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Audi Q3, with a full suite of driver assistance features. Standard across all trims are features like forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and Audi's pre-sense basic system, which helps prepare the vehicle and passengers for an imminent collision. Optional upgrades include adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, making your drives even more stress-free. With its blend of luxury, technology, and versatile performance, the 2025 Audi Q3 stands out in the crowded compact SUV segment. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on an adventure, this SUV delivers the perfect balance of style and substance. The 2025 Audi Q3 starts at around $38,000, offering a premium driving experience at a competitive price. Ready to upgrade your ride? The Audi Q3 is waiting.